everyone, in today's video we are going to be talking about information on the 75 Arctic Cat Jag. And now onto the video. So this here, folks, is my 1975 Arctic Cat Jag 340 snowmobile. So this snowmobile, the model is a 75, but it's a 75, but it's the 76 model, if that makes any sense. So normally these Jags are gray. They are, if you look up a picture of a 1970 Arctic Cat Jag. So in 1976, or in this case late 75, Arctic Cat teamed up with Suzuki and made the Spirit engine to go in the Arctic Cat Jags, and they made them the green color that this one is. Now in 76, when back before 76, Arctic Cat was teamed up with Kawasaki on putting their engines, but the Spirit engine is a 2-cylinder 339cc engine. So yeah, see, here's the Spirit, Arctic Cat Spirit. So it's a Suzuki engine. If you look up Arctic Cat Jag Spirit, it'll give you all the information you need. So again, it's a 2-cylinder, runs amazing. This particular sled, I bought off of a guy who got it out of a barn. It was sitting for 20 years in a barn. For some reason, have got this foggy gauge. I'll have to fix that. The lights all work. The front headlight bulb was out, so I bought a new bulb for it. It's hopefully going to be winter time here soon in Canada. So let's give her a fire up and... So getting on to more about the sled, unfortunately it has no ignition. I'm still in the process of pricing one out. Yeah, and like I said, I'm in the process of pricing out an ignition for it. The kill switch that was up here on the handlebars has been removed, put to here. This one's been disconnected inside, and there's been a totally different one mounted here. So, you know, it all works. The high and low beams work. If you're wondering up front why there's only one light in this, it's because these skidoos are designed with only one light. There's supposed to be a grate that gets designed here with a little kind of a wire mesh front piece that goes there as well. And if you're curious, just look up an Arctic Cat Jag image and you can see the whole front end of it. And that's really it. That's all I got. You know, they're great sleds. They weigh a decent amount. They're smaller, definitely a smaller sled, so easier for kids to turn. And that's all I got for you today. I'll see you in the next video.